Okay, so we are going to talk about volume of a rectangular prism. In 6th grade, you only deal with volume of a rectangular prism. If you're in pre-AP, you'll probably deal with triangular prisms, but in 6th grade, it's only rectangular prisms, okay? And how this works is, sorry guys, and you might have a good copy or a bad copy, I'm not sure, but on your star chart, if you look on your star chart, under area and volume. So area, here's all your formulas you've learned in the video before, okay? And then volume, here's your volume. But if you notice, it's different. Well, this says big H, big B, little h, and that says WHL, which is different. So we're going to talk about that. So on here, I also want you to write that, though. I want you to write V equals big B, little h. Okay? And what this is saying is that your big B is the area of the base. Okay? It is the area of the base. And then your h equals your height, like normal. Okay? But height is a little different this time because your height connects the two bases. Okay? And that makes it a little different. So, sorry about that interruption. Okay. So, and the reason why I say two bases is because that's how you tell which part of the shape is your base. In 6th grade, they normally give you your base, or they'll give you numbers. Okay? As you get in higher level math, you actually have to find your base. So I'm going to kind of give you a quick rundown of how that works. So, how you know it's your base is this. If you look, we have, and I'm going to use a matte pencil, we have this one right here. Okay? So we have this shape right here, which just so happens to be a rectangle. Okay? But we also have this shape here, which also is a rectangle. Okay? So the thing is that this rectangle only has a matching, which is the back. Because if this is the front, this is a 3D. Okay, that's why they're cubed. It's a 3D shape. So if this is the front, then there has to be a back, correct? And the back, I'm just coloring it in for you, is behind it. So if you look, I only have two of these. But my other shape that's also here, sorry, let me finish coloring this for you. And you can color this if you want, it's up to you. So my other shape, which is here, has 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the bases are only 2. Okay, so it has to have 2 to be the base. In this case, my base is here. Okay, so if I'm looking at the base here, that is a rectangle. And it says the area of the base. Well, what's an area of a rectangle? Well, that's base times height, or length times width, as you know it. So this would be length times width, or base times height. Okay? So my base, okay, or we'll say length, sorry, yeah, that's basically, and then width here, or height, but I don't want to say height here because you'll see. So this is my width, so length and width, okay? And then we have height, which if you notice now it connects our two bases. Well, that's different than before. So our height would be this piece right here. Yes, it could be this piece, or this piece. It's any piece that attaches the front base to the back base, and that's here. So that would be my height. Okay, so if you notice, guys, all we're doing is multiplying the three numbers they give you. That's it. You're taking, yes, it's the area of the base. My base is a rectangle, so that would be length times width. And then you multiply it times your height. So length times width times height. That is all we are doing. So, for example, you have this one. So V equals big B, little h, which just is length times width times height. Okay, guys, when you're multiplying, you can multiply in any order you want because it's a multiple property. If you multiply 2 times 3, it's the same thing as 3 times 2. It doesn't matter which way you multiply it. If you want to represent the certain things to help you later, that's fine. So length 10, height, or, well, let me rephrase that, sorry. Sorry about that. 5, and then my height that connects it is 2. So 10 times 5 is 50, times 2 is 100. So my volume is 100, and it's in inches, so it's 100 inches cubed. Pretty simple. So all we're doing is multiplying. Let's do it again. Length times width times height. So, again, it does not matter, guys. At this point, it does not matter. You're just multiplying length times width times height. We have 3 numbers. Length times width times height. Okay, so then we just multiply. Well, what's 8 times 6? 8 times 6 is 48. Times 3 is 144, so your volume is 144. This time we're talking in feet. Feet cubed. That is it, guys. It is that simple. Good luck. Good practice. Have a great day.